On Sunday morning, I wake up a little later. I do not hear an alarm clock. The house is very quiet and peaceful. First, I go to the kitchen. I want to make something warm. I take my favorite ceramic cup. It is white with small blue flowers. I boil the water. I hear the water bubble. Then I pour the hot water over the tea leaves. I smell the tea. The aroma is fresh and light. I hold the cup in my hands. It feels very warm and nice.
Next, I walk to the living room. I sit by the big window.
Outside, the sky is clear and blue.
I open a new book. The paper feels smooth.
I read the words slowly. I enjoy every page.
A small problem happens. The wind blows through the window. The pages of my book move fast. I lose my page.
I do not know where I am reading. But it is okay. I do not feel stressed. I smile and take a deep breath. I do not rush to find the page. Instead, I put the book down. I turn on a small speaker. I listen to soft music. The music is slow and beautiful. It makes me feel very calm. I look at the trees outside. Simple things make me happy. Good morning, my loves.
Morning, Soph.
Hi, Mom.
Good morning. Breakfast is almost ready. Soon, I hear footsteps. My husband, David, wakes up.
Morning, Dad. Hi, Daddy.
Good morning, everyone.
Then, Tom and Lily come downstairs. They look sleepy but happy.
David makes some toast. The bread smells delicious and sweet.
We sit at the wooden table. We eat a simple breakfast together.
It's the best part of the day.
Yeah, and the cereal is yummy. I love breakfast with you.
We talk about our dreams. It is a good start to my Sunday.
Simple breakfast together.
This looks wonderful, doesn't it?
Yeah, Mom, it's great.
And you, sweetie?
Yes.
I'm so glad. I love our breakfasts. Stop! Let's look at some special words I just used. I want to help you understand better. Look at this first word. Routine. Routine is spelled R-O-U-T-I-N-E. It means the things you do every day or every week in the same way. For example, my Sunday routine is drinking tea and reading. What is your morning routine? Hello there. I'm so glad you could join me today. Let's explore this together, step by step. You're doing wonderfully. Keep going, I believe in you. All right, let's look at our next word. It's a concept that's fundamental to understanding our topic. Let me explain its significance. This will help clarify everything. Next, look at this word, calm. Calm means you feel peaceful. You are not worried. You are not stressed. When I listen to soft music, I feel very calm. Finally, look at this word, visit. Visit means you go to a place to see someone. Today, I will visit my parents. It is a very common word in English. Visit. I do not hear an alarm clock. Remember, I speak slowly so you can hear every sound. Let's continue our story. At noon, the sun is high in the sky. It is time to go out. David drives the car. The kids sit in the back. We visit my parents. They live in a small white house with a beautiful garden. My mother, Grandma, stands at the door. She has a big smile.
Welcome home, everyone. I made your favorite lunch.
Hi, Grandma. It smells amazing. Yay, food.
Great to see you. Come on in, everyone.
Thank you, Mom. It's so good to be home.
It always is, my dear.
I miss this. Me too.
Let's get some tea.
This looks wonderful, doesn't it?
It really does. So good to have everyone here.
Can we eat now? This is the best.
Of course, dears. Let's enjoy this meal together.
I smell the food from the kitchen. It smells wonderful.
I say smells delicious.
Then I say, we are very hungry. We all sit together. My father, Grandpa, tells a funny story about his garden.
So I plant tomatoes, right? But the squirrels get them all. So I built a scarecrow. The squirrels started posing with it.
We eat roasted chicken and fresh vegetables. The chicken is hot and salty.
You always have the best stories.
Tell us another one.
All right. This one is a classic.
Oh, I remember this one.
Let's hear it.
This is the best.
Here it comes.
That's it. Good catch.
Whee! Again, Grandpa.
You're doing great, kids. That's it, Tom. Good kick.
I got it, Grandpa.
Throw it back, Lily.
What a catch. Again.
After lunch, Tom and Lily run to the garden. They play with a small ball.
Grandpa watches them and smiles. David helps Grandma clean the table. I sit on the porch. I feel the cool breeze on my face. Family time makes me feel very warm and loved.
I am grateful for my parents. This is the best part of my weekend.
Now it is time to practice your English. This is the practice part. We will do shadowing. Please repeat after me. Breathe in the peace of this garden. Now it is time to practice your English. This is the practice part. We will do shadowing. Please repeat after me. I make a cup of hot tea. I will say the sentence slowly first, then at normal speed. Are you ready? Family time makes me feel warm. Family time makes me feel warm. Excellent! Again, family time makes me feel warm. Now, I have a mini quiz for you. Do you remember the story? Good. Now, get ready for a little surprise.
My friends. I can't wait to see them. This is the perfect spot. It's so beautiful.
Now, I have a mini quiz for you. Do you remember the story? Who do we visit at noon? A. My friends. B. My parents. Practicing every day helps you speak better English. Think for a moment.
The answer is B. We visit my parents. You have a very good memory.
Practicing every day helps you speak better English. I go back home with my family. I feel a little tired, but my heart is full of joy. The sun goes down. The sky is now dark and purple. It is Sunday evening. I go back home with my family. Feel a little tired, but my heart is full of joy.
The sun goes down. The sky is now dark and purple. It is Sunday evening.
I go back home with my family. I feel a little tired, but my heart is full of joy. I go to my room. I turn off the big lights. I turn on a small lamp. Sunday is a special day. It is a day for rest and love. That is my weekend routine. I lie down in my bed. The pillows are soft and white. I turn off the light. Now, I have a mini quiz for you. Do you remember the story?
Sunday is a special day. It is a day for rest and love. That is my weekend routine.
Now, I want to hear from you. What about you? What is your weekend routine? Do you like to stay home or go out? Tell me in the comments. If you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Next time, we will talk about my family's hobbies. You will meet Tom and Lily again.
Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.